like about the color I wanted it to be. Oh my God. Supposed to be this color. It was supposed to be blonde and not chocolate, but I like it. What y'all think? Alright you guys, hi, this is Klazzact. Welcome back to my channel. Alright you guys, I am getting ready to review this lovely unit that I was sent by UniceHair, and y'all, I'm getting ready to spill the tea. This is a beautiful unit, and I cannot wait to give y'all the details on it, although I messed it up. It hung in there through the mistake, because some mistakes work out, don't they? They work out, don't they? Yeah. So anyway, if you guys would like to know more about this unit, stay tuned. For those of you that are visiting my channel, hello there. Thank you for stopping by. I would like for you to go ahead also to hit that like button below. And for those of you who are part of the Classy Nation, yeah, that's kind of sticking right there, yeah. Welcome back. Hey girl. Hey, how y'all doing? Hey bro. Anyway, how y'all doing? So glad you guys are here. But anyway, getting ready to tell you guys about this absolutely beautiful unit that I am rocking on today. So if you would like to know the details about this unit, stay tuned. Here we go. So you guys, I was sent this unit by UniceHair, and let me tell you, absolutely beautiful unit. Now, I want to say to you guys, I love UniceHair. I really do. I really like their hair. They are really putting out some good units. And the 4x4s, 5x5s that they are putting out are really, really good units to me personally. I'm liking those. Let me start off by saying that I was really skeptical about 4x4s and 5x5 units because I really didn't know anything about them. I just never ordered any. But I was part of the 13x6 club when it came to lace fronts. So when they reached out to me the first time to try their unit, I ended up getting one of the 4x4 curling units. Fell in love. I'm hooked. I love these particular units, and if you are somebody who don't want to be bothered with a lot of glue, a lot of sprays, then these type of units are really, really something you might want to tap into. Let me tell you why. Okay, so sis, the reason why this particular unit might be something you might want to reach for is because, first of all, if you want to glue it down, you don't have to use a lot of glue or a lot of spray to do it because it's how short it is, for how small, just from here to here. You don't have to use a lot of it. It won't mess up your edges. You're not really damaging or compromising your hairline at all that much. That's number one. Second thing is, with these units, you don't have to glue it down or spray it down. You can really actually apply this particular wig and not do that at all. Yeah, loving that. Because the grip on this unit was mind-blowing for me. I really was shocked. So that was one of the reasons why, one of the main reasons I fell in love, losing my pillow. That was one of the reasons why I really fell in love with the 4x4 unit. So this is something you want to grab at. Let me just talk about this hair real quick and give y'all the specs. I already know I tried to color it, do a blonde thing, and it just didn't work out. I ended up with my honey blonde look. Honey blonde color, something I wear all the time. Of course, I love this color, but it didn't come out the way I wanted it to. But with that being said, me coloring this hair did not lose any hair. it took the hair color and took the bleach perfectly. Didn't have any shedding, no breaking, nothing like there. This hair is really, really amazing quality. Now, UniceHair have really good, amazing quality hair, so it's worth the money. It's worth every bit of the coins for their hair. Another reason you might want to tap into this company is because now they are offering, and I notice a lot of wig companies are doing this, but I know UniceHair is offering payment plans. They're doing payment plans for those of you that are on a budget. So that's something else you might want to tap into as well. And all this information will be listed in the description box below. And I will be listing the coupon code that they left for me for those of you that will be reaching out to them for this particular unit or any of their units. I'll be listing it somewhere up in my videos, okay? So now this unit is a 4x4 silk-based Brazilian human hair unit. It has the fake scalp, all right? And some people cut their fake scalp out and just go with bleaching the lace. I didn't do that. I still have the fake scalp in there, and there's a shot of it right there. I didn't put any concealer in it. I just didn't feel the need to do it. Some of you may want to do it, but I like it the way it is because it looks natural to me. And of course, this is a T-part closure and middle part, and the hairline is pre-plucked. And this is 150% density, and the unit that I am rocking is 16 inches long. So I'm going to give you guys a shot, a 360 shot, so y'all can see the back of the hair, and then we're going to be done with this video. Before I close out this video, I want to show you guys the box that it came in. I forgot to do that. This is the box. This is their packaging, and this is the Bet You series. They have different series of hair. It came with eyelashes, and it also came with a wig cap. All right, and they also have a promotional card that they include in their boxes, and I just don't have it here. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. This hair is amazing. I absolutely love it. Now, my curl pattern, I'm not happy that my curl pattern has fallen out. I don't know if y'all can see it. I did the wand curl on it, and if y'all can see, I showed it. And look at the little curl. I don't know if the color didn't come out right. My curls ain't, one side is looking right, the other side isn't. I don't know. I had to get this thing. This is just a review of mistakes for me, but the hair has hung in there. It's absolutely beautiful. So you guys, leave your thoughts below. Loving this unit, loving the hair. I ain't loving what I did with it, but I love the hair. So before I close out this video, I would like to say thank you to UniceHair for allowing me to review this hair. Those of you that are interested again in this unit or any of the units, I'm going to leave all the information down below in the description box. All right, all the coupon codes and everything will be listed, and the link to this hair will be listed all as well down in the description box. So again, you guys, that's it for this video. You guys take care, and remember to always be kind to one another. I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all take care. See you later. Bye.